Do you need an upgrade for your faucet? This rotating, multi-purpose, universal anti-splash faucet extender is a product for you. Cooking, cleaning, or just washing your face. Whatever the task, this multi-angle faucet extender has your back. Rotate it to any position for smoother, splash-free water flow. Multi-joint design offers maximum flexibility and keeps water focused exactly where you need it. Chrome finish blends into any modern faucet. Installs in seconds. Just twist and go. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Does your kitchen sink need some splash protection or traction? This water-absorbent kitchen faucet pad is a product for you. It's the quickest and easiest way to prevent water damage in your kitchen. The pad simply attaches to your kitchen faucet and instantly absorbs any excess water that may come out from the tap. Unique wraparound design. The mat can be air-dried in under an hour. Keep your sink countertop clean and dry. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Does your pet need a proper grooming brush? This pet cat hair removal brush is a product for you. Keep your pets looking their best with this easy-to-use grooming brush, which is perfect for dogs and cats with long hair. The stainless steel comb helps remove mats and tangles while providing a relaxing massage. Gentle on skin while promoting better circulation. Comfortable and durable design for stress-free grooming. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Does your pet need a proper grooming brush? This 3-in-1 Steamy electric pet brush is a product for you. It's an innovative grooming tool designed to provide your pet with a luxurious grooming experience. Safe for all pets, with soft bristles that won't scratch or irritate the skin. Prevents hair tangles and knots, keeping your pet's coat healthy. Gently massages your pet, enhancing bonding time. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Do you need some comfort in your driving position? This auto seat gap organizer with wireless charger is a product for you. Upgrade your car's interior with this adjustable armrest that offers both extra comfort and handy storage for small essentials like phones, keys, and wallets. It also has a wireless charging feature. Reduce arm fatigue on long drives. Keeps small items within your reach. Enhances your car's interior aesthetics. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Do you need some more storage space in your car? This car elastic hanging organizer holder is a product for you. Declutter your car with this versatile stretchable storage net, which is perfect for organizing items, creating a pet barrier, and enhancing child safety. Lightweight and easy to install in any vehicle. Keep your car more organized. Enhance safety for children and pets. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Do you need some more storage space in your car? This leather car back seat organizer is a product for you. The front of the organizer can store your bags and daily necessities. On the back side, you can place, for example, drinking cups and some paper towels. It can also be used as a special barrier to prevent your children or pets to move to the front. Simple and easy to install. Sturdy, thickened leather design. Keep your car organized and enhance safety for children and pets. Buy this wonderful product today from Mavi Gadget. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week in this wonderful world full of wonderful things.